Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infoline. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 Presentation Part for year May-June 2022. Now come on presentation part. Here is task 7 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Now come on step 27. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file tourism.rtf. First we open a PowerPoint. Click on blank pages, new slide. Click on slides from outline. Go to our work area. Here is tourism.rtf. Do insert. Then delete the blank page. Unless otherwise Unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display title and bulleted list. All slide must display the title and bulleted list. Now come on step 28. To use use a master slide to display only the following features. First we apply a master slides. Click on view. Here is master slide. A 3-4 point thick horizontal line across the width of the slides about 3 centimeter from the top. Now first we remove the footer. Then we adjust this. Then we do click on insert. Here is shape. Select a line. We draw a line from with the gap from the top 3 centimeter. Do shift and draw a line with the help of shift we draw a straight line, shape and outlines. Here is not given a specific color, so we select a black color and we do a width up to 3 point thick. Above the line, enter the text support coastal tourism in large blank font aligned the top right of the slide. Make sure that the text does not wrap. Now click on insert. Here is text box. Made a text box here. Then we enter here. Do a right aligned. Size up to 36. Black font Align to the right from the top slide in large. Automated slide number in the bottom left. Now we click on insert text box in the bottom left. We made a text box in the bottom left. Click on insert. Here is slide number. Apply this slide number. We again draw a text box. Then do insert slide number. Your name, center number and candidate number. Now in the bottom right, we made a text box and enter name, center number and candidate number in the right side. We enter our name, center number, then candidate number. Do in right align. Make sure that master slide items appear in the same position. No, no every slide, no items overloop on any slide. First we check this. Click on master slide, close the master slide. This is okay. This all instructions are applied in correct way. Now come on step 29. Using the data in the file J2222bots.csv, they create a vertical bar chart from only the top 5 ranked countries. This chart must display. Now come on work area. Here is bot J2222 bots. Enter in this file. Then we adjust this and we select if top 5 countries and 22 cent year 22 rate, the name of the country and the category access the value of 22 only. We select value of 22 only, then click on insert. Here is a vertical bar chart. Then come on step 30. Label the chart as follows. Chart title, recent recreational boats in Europe. Chart title, enter. Value access title 1000. value access title, thousands, access title, country. Display only the data value at the top of each bar. Data label. For now come on step 32. Format the value axis scale the display. A minimum value 0, a maximum value 1100, increment of 100. Right click, format axis, maximum value, minimum value 0, maximum value up to 1100. Increment up to 100. Now come on step 32. Place the chart to the left of the bullet on the slide with the title please participation. Make sure that no word in the chart are split. All data and labels are fully visible. No legends is displayed. The chart and its content do not overloop any slide item. Here is present participation. Paste it in the left master slide. Adjust this. Then we adjust here. Now come on step 34. Add the following text as a presenter speaker note to the slide with the title presentation. Sweden and Finland have the most leisure boat. We enter this line as a presenter note. Here is the note option. Then we enter here presenter note. Print only this slide as presenter speaker note. Now click on file. Here is print option. This slide is number is 4. Then full page slide. Select no pages. After this we enter the header and footer. In the header and footer our candidate detail This is the rule of exam. The header, we enter a name, then we enter our center number, then we enter our candidate number. Apply to all. After that, save the presentation, print the presentation as the handout with six slides to the page. First, we save the presentation. Click on save. Now, click on file. Go to print. Here we do six slides because we want to print a six slides, six and do a six slide horizontal. Here we able to see a six slides on one pages, and our candidate detail are also available on this page. Then we print this.